Good morning, student. In our last lecture, we discussed about the chapter 3rd, that is the coordinate geometry. We studied about the abscissa, ordinate, Cartesian plane, coordinate axis, how to plot a point in the graph. Now we will use this concept in our chapter 4, that is the linear equation in two variables. Now see, firstly we will see the meaning of this variable. What is the meaning of variable? Variable is what? It means we take any type of alphabet here to represent any variable. Take an alphabet like x, y, z, s, t, u, etc. The value changes with the time, or we can say with the situation. X don't have the fixed value. We can change the value of the x according to situation, according to time. It means this is called a variable. In Hindi we can say जिसकी value change होती रहती है. Now see equation. What is the equation? Equation means it is a statement of equality. We show that x is equal to 5. If I write x is equal to 5, it means there is a relation of the equality. X value is showing is equal to 5. So this is equation. Now see linear. What is the meaning of linear? We will recall the polynomial chapter now. In a polynomial we studied about the linear polynomial. What is the linear polynomial? Any polynomial which have highest degree of any variable is 1. That is called a linear polynomial. That we decide if degree 2, that is a quadratic polynomial. If degree 3, that is a cubic polynomial. In this chapter we discuss about only degree 1, that is a linear polynomial. Now see, this is a linear equation in two variables. But if we discuss about this, x plus 5 is equal to 0, then it is a linear polynomial in one variable. Only one variable is here, it means this is a linear polynomial in one variable. If we write down x is equal to minus 5, there is a one solution only here. X value we can't change according to this equation. X is equal to only minus 5. It means linear equation in one variable has only one solution. But if we talk about the two variables, firstly check it is a linear or not. In this term highest power is 1. In this term highest power is 1. Variable highest power is 1. It means it is a linear equation in two variables. There are two variables, that is x and y. Now see, we will check it how many solution it has. X plus y is equal to 5. Suppose I write down x is equal to 1. Then put it 1 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. It means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Satisfy this equation. This is a solution of this equation. Now check it. There is only one solution, or we can find out more. Take any other value. Suppose I take x is equal to 2. Put in this equation. 2 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. It means for x is equal to 2, y value is 3. This is also solution of this equation. Can we find out another more solution? Suppose I put x is equal to 0. Then 0 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. So we can see easily here that for the value of x, you can put the value of y also firstly. That we can take y is equal to 0. Then it becomes x plus 0 is equal to 5. Then it becomes x is equal to 5. We can take any value, firstly x or y, or find out the corresponding value of another variable. So it means linear equation in two variable has how many solutions? We can say it has infinite many solutions. A linear equation has infinite many solutions. Now see, what is the standard form of linear equation in two variable? Standard form I can write down, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Now here x and y variable, a, b, c, any real number. Now see examples. Suppose I write down 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. In this given equation, can I find out the value of a, b and c? Yes, I can find out with the comparison with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the a here? A is the coefficient of x. What is the b here? B is the coefficient of y. And c is a constant term. To compare it, find out the value of a. What is the value of a? A is equal to 2. What is the value of b? B is equal to 3. C value, c is equal to 5. It is very easy example. Now we take another example. Suppose I write down 2x minus 5y is equal to 7. Find the, firstly convert it into the standard form, then write down the value of a, b and c. Firstly see, is it in standard form? No, because there is in right side only 0, but here in right hand side 7. Then firstly we convert it into standard form, that is 2x minus 5y. It is plus 7, when you change the side it becomes minus 7. Now we can say that it is in standard form. Now compare with the standard form and find the value of a, b and c. Then we can say a value is 2, b value is minus 5 and c value is minus 7. This type we can write down any equation into the standard form and can find out value of a, b and c. Take one more example. Suppose I write down 3x is equal to 7. Now you can say that there is only one variable, then how can we compare with the standard form of two variable? Firstly see here, we have to change this equation into the two variable. This we write down 3x plus, don't have the y variable, then we take the coefficient of y is equal to 0. If I write down here 0 dot y, it means 0 multiplied by y, that is equal to 0. So is it any effect? Is give any effect to the equation? No. There is no effect of this thing. But now our equation becomes in two variable. Now find out the value of ABC. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to minus 7. This type we can represent any equation in the standard form of linear equation in two variable, and then we can find out the value of A, B and C. Now see another type of question. In your book question we can say, take example that the cost of a pen is thrice the cost of a pencil write this statement in linear equation in two variable and find the value of A, B and C from our statement. Now check it, how to solve it. The cost of a pen, it means which two variable is here? Cost of a pen and cost of a pencil. So there is one pen and one pencil. So we can write down, let cost of a pen is equal to rupees X. Another variable we have pencil. Cost of a pencil is equal to rupees Y. Now according to statement we write down the equation. How to write down? See, the cost of a pen, see this thing properly, we'll write the equation according to statement. It means we just write the just read the statement carefully, then we write down the equation for it. Cost of a pen, what is the cost of a pen for us? X. So we write down firstly X. Is any type of helping verb will come, then we'll put always equal sign for it. Thrice, thrice matlab 3 times, thrice means 3 times, that is 3 multiply. The cost of a pencil, what is the cost of a pencil? Y. Then it become equation X is equal to 3Y. Write this statement in linear equation in two variables. This is our answer, that is X is equal to 3Y. Now next find the value of A, B and C. For finding the value of A, B and C, firstly we have to convert it into the standard form. Then in standard form it becomes X minus 3Y. There is no constant value, we can put 0 here. X minus 3Y plus 0 is equal to 0. Now compare it with the standard form. What is the standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And our equation is x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Then value of A is equal to 1. Value of B, coefficient of y, that is equal to minus 3. Value of C, that is equal to 0. This type we can write down any type of linear equation in two variable with given statement. Suppose any other example I will take. Sum of money of Rohan and Seema is rupees 100. Question same, write the statement in linear equation in two variable. How to write down? See, firstly see, firstly find out which type of variable are here. Sum of money of Rohan and Seema is rupees 100. It means Rohan Some money have Rohan and some money have Seema, and sum of money both is equal to rupees 100. So what is our solution? Firstly, we write down let Rohan has money is equal to rupees X. Seema has is equal to rupees Y. Sum of money, both money's sum is according to statement. X plus Y is equal to rupees 100. This is the linear equation in two variable. One variable is X, second variable is Y, and then sum of this is equal to 100. So this complete our statement. This type we can write down linear equation in two variable. Now we take some question related to standard form. You try one question for your homework. The cost of apple is 2 more than twice of cost of banana. Write this in linear equation in two variable. This question you will solve self. Now see the next topic, that standard form, questions related to the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Suppose I write down 2x plus 2.35 bar is equal to 5y. Our question is, firstly write down in standard form, then find out the value of A, B and C. Firstly in standard form we need x variable, then this 5y, when you change the side it comes in negative sign, plus 2.35 bar is equal to 0. What is our standard equation? That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of A? A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 5, C is equal to 2.35. This time we will find out the value of A, B and C. Okay, now according to this example you can do your NCERT book 4.1 exercise. Now we will proceed for the examples of 4.2 exercise. That is the solution of linear equation. We already discussed about that. What is the solution of linear equation? Solution is what? Whichever the value of x and y satisfy our given equation, that is called the solution of our linear equation. Suppose I write down one equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Then I said that 1 comma 1 is the solution of this linear equation in two variable. Is it right or wrong? Can we check it? Yes, we can check it. How to check? In this bracket, see always first values always show the value of x and second value always show the value of y. Now put here 2, x value is 1, y value is also 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3 then 5 is equal to 5. It means these values of x and y satisfy our given equation that we find out LHS is equal to RHS. It means it is one of the solution of this given equation. This is only one solution. Suppose I write down 2x plus y is equal to 10. Now my question is, find 4 solution for this linear equation in 2 variable. Then how to find out the solution? We'll start. Let x is equal to 0. Put this in value. 2 multiplied by 0 plus y is equal to 10. 0 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10. It means our first solution is 0, 10. Second, let x is equal to 1. Put here 2 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 10. 2 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. It means our solution is 1, 8. And already discussed in the third chapter, this type of pair is called the ordered pair also, that represent the value, first value of x and second value of y. Now third solution, suppose I put y is equal to 0, then it becomes 2 multiplied by x plus y value 0 is equal to 10, then 2x is equal to 10. You already know that how to solve it. Here 2 is in multiplication, then here come in division, then that is equal to 5. Then what is the solution of this? Third solution is 5, 0. Always write the value of x firstly, 5, 0. Now fourth one solution, we can take any value. Y is equal to, suppose I take 2. It becomes 2x plus 2 is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10 minus 2. 2x is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. Then our solution is 4, 2. Then in the last you write down all the 4 solution in a box. X, y, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. When y is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. So this type we show the solution of linear equation in 2 variable. Now see exercise 4.2. Our question is 4.2 exercise. Question first. It is given to you y is equal to 3x plus 5. Question is what? You have to tell that this type of equation has unique solution, one solution, no solution, or infinite many solution. Which option is correct? Then how can we check it? Solve it firstly. Suppose I write down x is equal to 0. Then y is equal to, you can now put directly 5. X is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 3 ones are 3 plus 5, 8. X is equal to 2. Y is equal to 3 2s are 6 or 5. 6 plus 5, 11. It means there is no unique solution. There is not only one solution, not only two solution. It has infinite many solution. Then always remember this thing, linear equation in two variable has infinite many solution. Now see the next type of question. It is given to you pi x plus y is equal to 9. Find out the 4 solution for it. We will follow the same steps, that firstly put x is equal to 0, then it becomes pi into 0 plus y is equal to 9, then 0 plus y is equal to 9, then y is equal to 9. Our first solution is 0, 9. For the second solution, I can take x is equal to 1, then it becomes pi plus y is equal to 9, y is equal to 9 minus pi. Then it becomes 1, 9 minus pi. This type you can find out more solution, no problem now. Now see the next type of question. Next type of question, that an equation is given to you. Suppose like this, 3x minus 5y is equal to 7. This equation given to you and some values, some ordered pair is given to you. Suppose like this 0, 0. Suppose like this 3, 2. We have to check it that is given pair are the solution of this equation or not. How to check it? Write down the values of it. That is 3 multiplied by 0 minus 5 multiplied by 0 is equal to 7. 0 minus 0 is equal to 7. 0 does not equals to 7. It means LHS and RHS sides are not equal. Then this given ordered pair is not a solution of the given equation. Similarly, we can check it like this. 3 multiplied by 3 minus 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 10 is equal to 7, minus 1 is equal to 7. Minus 1 does not equals to 7. It means this ordered pair is also not a solution of this given equation. Suppose we can take any other value, that I write down x value is 5 and y value is 1, and I take here 8. Now check it. 3 5s are 15 minus 5 into 1, 18 minus 5. We are finding the 7 easily. That is 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 also does not equals to 7. It means it is also not a solution of this given equation. Any other example? Suppose I write down 2x minus y is equal to 4. I take x value 2, 4 is the solution of it or not. We want to check it. Put the value here. 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. 0 is equal to 4. Does not equals to 4. It means it is also not a solution of it. Similarly, I take one more solution, 4, 2. Now check it. 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2 is equal to 4. 8 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 does not equals to 4. It means this is also not a solution of it. Or if I take 4, 4, 2 multiplied by 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Finally, we got it that 4, 4 is the solution of the given equation. One of the solution. This is not only the solution of this equation. This is one of the solution. Because linear equation in two variable has infinite many solutions. Now one more type question if we discuss, that we have to find out the value, unknown value in the given equation. It is given to you 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Now in this question it is given to you that 1,2 is the solution of this equation. Then just put the value of x and y